Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to resize and rotate objects in PowerPoint. Usually, when you want to resize a given object fast, you would do it in the following way. Position the mouse at the corner of the object and drag it until you reach the size that you would like to obtain. This method is fast, but it is not very precise. If you would like to assign a specific shape height or shape width, it is better to do so by using the size commands, which are found in the Format tab. I will select the item and click on the Format tab. We can adjust the object size by using the commands that are in the right side of the tab. These commands allow us to modify the object's size with greater precision. We can either use the buttons in order to adjust the object size, or type the desired measurements in directly. In certain situations, you might need to rotate an object within a PowerPoint slide. When we have to rotate an object, it can be done by selecting the object, opening the Format tab, and clicking on Rotate. We can rotate the object 90 degrees to the right, 90 degrees to the left, or click on More Rotation Options, in case we would like to rotate it by a degree that is not a multiple of 90. Stay tuned for our next video, as we will be learning how to organize our presentations with a slide master. Thank you for watching.